AOC, my favorite big booty Latina. I love you, AOC. You're my favorite. You look very beautiful in that dress. You look very sexy. Look at that booty on AOC. That's my favorite big booty Latina.
As you can imagine, the liberal media is freaking out about this. Headline saying AOC assaulted on Capitol steps, blah, blah, blah. But I'll tell you what, I'm outraged by something entirely different. This guy is spreading misinformation. AOC does not have a big booty Latina butt. She has no butt. Look at that. Nothing. Flat. Granted, there's like a quick angle here where it does look quite impressive, but deceptive. As you saw in the video, flat, flat, flat. Stop spreading misinformation. It's an insult to true big booty Latinas.